And to bring you, we'll be getting more updates on this very Guinea, coup, and update you subsequently in our bulletins. And now, 98% of persons being treated for COVID-19 at the Infectious Disease Center at the Ghanaians hospital have not been vaccinated. Presidential Advisor on Health, Dr. Nsiah Asare, tells TV3 these findings should motivate more Ghanaians to get vaccinated.
Ghana Infectious Disease Center is the first of its kind in the country, with a 100-bed capacity constructed in response to the COVID-19 pandemic. According to research conducted by the Center on cases admitted in the third wave of the pandemic in Ghana, only 2% of persons who had the virus had been vaccinated. For Presidential Advisor on Health, Dr. Nsiah Asare, the trend is worrying.
People who are sick and very severe and critically ill, and some few who lost their lives, are people who have not received any vaccination at all. 98% of what they studied, people that they look at, have not received any vaccine at all. Only 2% were people who have some other comorbidities and maybe have immunity issues that fell sick and then came for admission. So it tells everybody that the vaccines are very, very important. And once you have the vaccine, even if you have the virus, it will not take you to the intensive care.
He noted that though the storage and deployment of Moderna vaccine consignments received is different, its administration will be done at disease-burdened areas to break transmission.
So the vaccination of the new vaccines which have come will go throughout the whole country. Remember that when we had the Johnson & Johnson, we concentrated in Greater Accra and Greater Kumasi metropolis. The next batch of AstraZeneca, which will also be in the 249,600, and also the 1.5 million will be distributed in the same way along the same line. Finish it. Now, if you give the about 249,000 doses, we still have about 200,000 people to be given the second dose of AstraZeneca, which will be very, very soon.
The country is expecting some 1 million doses of Pfizer vaccines from the United States and 249,000 AstraZeneca vaccines from Norway, plus more doses of Johnson & Johnson by the end of the month. Aside Johnson & Johnson, which government has financial obligations to, all other vaccines are being donated.